And I want to emphasize this. I have given two reasons for proposing the repeal of Section 377A. One, we should do so because there are no public order issues that are raised from such conduct, so it should not remain criminal. But I accept that MPs and others may disagree with that even though there are no public order issues, they may feel that there are other reasons for keeping the law. And I accept that people can and do legitimately have such views, and it's reasonable to hold such views. But the second reason I've given, the legal consequences, that's not a matter of conscience. It's a policy question. It requires each of us to think carefully and apply our minds. The second question is a matter of considering the consequences for Singapore, given that there's a clear legal risk that Section 377A could be struck down, and given that, having heard me, you know what the consequential legal risks are. In fact, this has been talked about in public, what the consequential legal risks are to the heterosexual family, housing, education, other policies, that they could all be at risk. Knowing all these risks and refusing to take a position or be clear in how we will deal with it is avoiding our responsibilities as MPs, basically passing it on to the courts. It is easier politically, but it is also worse for Singapore and Singaporeans. And to put it bluntly, that will be an abdication of duty. And it would be cynical if we, as MPs, did that. Because we would be putting, if we take this as a deliberate decision, political capital over doing what is good for Singaporeans.